This is the notification from the APS School Shillong. So APS School Shillong Recruitment 2024 notification for teaching jobs. The Assam Rifle Public School laitkor Shillong invites application for the post of TGT Hindi and PGT Physics on a contract basis. Submit your application within 7 days from the date of advertisement that is published on 20 of March 2024. These are the number of posts. Post name trained graduate teacher, Hindi. Number of posts 2, salary rupees 23,000 per month. Essential qualification BA in Hindi with B.Ed from a recognized university plus 2 years of teaching experience at the secondary level, able to teach Hindi and Sanskrit. And number 2 post name, we have postgraduate teacher physics. Number of post 1, salary rupees 24,000 per month. Essential qualification MSc with B.Ed from a recognized university plus 2 years of teaching experience at the secondary level. How to apply for APS School Shillong Recruitment 2024 teaching jobs. Application duly mentioning the post for applying with complete biodata, photographs, and supporting documents of education and experience certificate should be submitted at the following address within 7 days from the date of advertisement published on 20 of March 2024 to the principal of Assam Rifle Public School laitkor Shillong, pin code 793010. Applicants are advised to go through the APS School Shillong Recruitment 2024 Teaching Jobs official notification. Also the link on the description box below.